guys, it's Whitney, and today I am really excited. We are doing an eye makeup tutorial. We are doing it Drugstore! Woo! Today we are using the Maybelline Nudes of New York eyeshadow palette. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe and ring the bell, and don't forget to like it if you're liking it while you're watching it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going in with the Sigma E40, and I'm using the color Artist. I'm putting this into the crease and up to the brow, and basically all over the lid as well. This is really going to help us to blend out the shadows. I'm going back in with my E40 and the color Creator, and I'm going right into the crease. Now I'm going in with the Sigma E25 and the color Explore, and I'm putting this right on the outer part of my eye, just like this. And I'm just patting this right now. I'm grabbing just a little more of this color and I'm just patting it on. And slowly bringing it up into the crease just a little bit. Now I'm going to work on blending out these edges just a little bit. I'm going in with a MAC 219, a pencil brush, and I'm just building up the outer corner here with the color Globetrotter. And I'm just really wanting to deepen up this outer corner even more. So I'm just going to work on my shape with the pencil brush, and then we'll go back in and start blending some more. I'm using the E25 to blend this out on the edge. So I'm just using my finger to put on Believer to the middle of my lid. And then on the inner part of my eye, I'm putting on the gold color called Founder. I'm going in with the E25 and putting on just a little bit of Voyager right here on the outer corner. I'm lining my eyes with the Rimmel Exaggerate waterproof liner in black. And I'm also going to do the waterline. Next, I'm using a MAC 231 brush with the color Globetrotter to smoke out our lower lash line. And I'm running Artist, the very first color, right underneath that to blend it out so it's not so harsh. Next, I'm going to line my upper line. Next, I'm using a little bit of concealer to clean up underneath the eyes, just a little bit, and add some brightness. I'm putting on some of my favorite mascara, and that is Maybelline the Colossal. I'm going to throw on some Julie G false lashes, and I'll be right back. Here's the finished look after the lashes and everything. I love it. I love how smoky and sultry it ended up. I love a good smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next new video. Bye!